Alright class, let's have a seat. I'm about to announce the winner of this week's Common Courtesy Award. And the winner is Maria. Maria, tell us how you did it.
It was easy. Common courtesy is free to use and everyone can do it. Common courtesy. Common courtesy. Common courtesy. I have common courtesy. I say please. I say thank you. I say good morning, good day, good afternoon. I always say hello, yes sir, and yes ma'am. How are you? Be well. Excuse me, gentlemen. How are you doing? Glad to meet you. Say thank you and always be kind. Be polite and be mindful and always be on time. You can do it. You can do it because I did every time. Common courtesy, and it doesn't cost a dime. Common courtesy, common courtesy, common courtesy. I have common courtesy.
Wow, Maria, that was amazing. It looks like common courtesy and good manners can take you far. Okay, kids, class is over. Always remember to have good manners and be courteous.
Common courtesy, I have common